Most people panic when they see their Starbucks gift card is expired. But here's the truth no one tells you. In many cases, the card is not actually expired. It is either inactive, not loaded correctly, or blocked by account settings. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to fix a Starbucks gift card expired issue in 2026, what really causes it, and the step-by-step solutions to recover your balance or get it working again. Let's get straight into it. First, understand how it works. A Starbucks gift card is managed through your account inside Starbucks. Most cards do not expire in the traditional sense in many regions, but they can become unusable if not activated, not registered, or not properly linked. Now here's the biggest mistake people make. They assume expired means the money is gone. In reality, most expiration messages come from system errors or region restrictions, not actual loss of funds. Jake thought his balance was gone, but it was simply not synced to his account. So the first step is simple. Check your card status in the Starbucks app or website. Log in and look under the Cards section to see if your balance is still active. But here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes the issue is just account mismatch. If you are logged into the wrong Starbucks account, your card may appear expired or missing. Alex experienced this where switching emails instantly restored his balance. So always confirm you are using the correct account before assuming the card is expired. Now here's another common issue. Inactive or unregistered cards can trigger expiration warnings. If the card was never properly activated at the store or added to your account, the system may treat it as invalid over time. So the next fix is to manually add the card again. Go to Add Card. Enter the card number and security code, and check if the balance appears. Now here's where it gets interesting again. Region mismatch can also cause false expiration messages. If your card is from one country and your account is set to another, the system may block it or label it incorrectly. So always check your account region settings and match them with the card region. But here's the problem. Even when everything is correct, app glitches can still create fake expiration errors. The Starbucks app sometimes fails to refresh card data. In that case, logging out and logging back in, or reinstalling the app, often fixes the issue instantly. Now let's talk about another hidden factor. Some older cards or promotional cards may have specific terms or limited validity. If that is the case, the expiration is real, and you may need to contact support for clarification or balance recovery options. If nothing works, the final step is contacting Starbucks support with your card details and receipt. They can verify whether the card is truly expired or just stuck in a system error. So let's quickly summarize. Most expired Starbucks gift card issues come from account mismatch, missing activation, region issues, or app glitches. Real expiration is rare, but possible depending on card type. And once you fix these issues, your card often works again immediately. If this video helped you, like it, drop a comment with your issue, and subscribe for more simple guides that help you solve real problems quickly and easily.